Insurance is not haram 100%. It is the process behind insurance that might be haram. What is insurance? Insurance is the mitigation of risk. What is insurance? It is the mitigation of risk. I'm sure all of us have a car. Do we keep a spare wheel in the booty? We do. Why? It's our insurance that if one tire gets flat, we can use the other one. Is it haram? No. When we go to war, we wear an armor. Why? Why do we wear an armor? To protect ourselves. To protect ourselves from any injury, from any wound. Is that haram? It's not haram. Right? It's not haram. So insurance is not haram. Let me tell you a hadith. A Bedouin once asked the Holy Prophet, may peace be upon him, the Prophet, I have this camel and I will bring it inside the tent, but I don't want to leave it. He said, you can't bring it inside. And he said, okay, I'll leave it outside and I'll leave it on Allah. I will do tawakkal on Allah, that Allah will take care of this camel. Holy Prophet, may peace be upon him, replied, my friend, first tie your camel and then leave it on Allah, then have tawakkal on Allah. Tying means that first take your precautions, first ensure, and then leave it to Allah. So my friend and my fellow Toastmasters, insurance is not haram. Why some people think that insurance is haram? It is because of gharar in it, it is because of the sood in it, the riba in it, or the uncertainty in it. I might die, I might not die. They think it is because of this. No, it's not because of that. These are some of the elements found in insurance. Why the conventional insurance is haram is because of its process, the way it is done, the way the contract is made. That is why it is haram. It is the same as, I'm sure all of you have traveled to foreign countries. Toastmaster Fahim was recently in Singapore. I'm sure they have KFC over there, sir. I'm sure they have McDonald's. Is the taste differs than the one that is available here? Is there any difference in taste? Hardly. I mean, it's your palate actually. But the chicken is the same. The burger is the same. One is haram, one is halal. Same burger, same chicken. Why? Because here, the chicken is slaughtered the Islamic way. Over there, the chicken is slaughtered not the Islamic way. So it's the process that makes it halal or haram. Chicken by itself is haram. It's not haram. It's halal. What takaful does is that it takes conventional insurance, changes the process, which makes insurance. What is the process? It is the contract that binds the insurer to the insured. Islam or the Sharia pays a lot of attention, or it pays a lot of emphasis to the contract and has a whole chapter on law of contracts. The contract between an insurer and insured in a conventional insurance is that of buy and sell. And as per Sharia, you cannot buy or sell a risk. That, my friends, is the difference. Insurance is not haram. It is the process behind it that makes it halal or haram. In takaful, the process is changed. So in takaful, there is no buying or selling of risk, which makes it halal. As far as riba or sood or usury is concerned, it is there in the form of investments that are made with the money that is paid as contribution or premium. If you can change that, if you can invest in a manner which is not interest related, that makes it interest free. That would again make it halal or haram. As far as uncertainty is concerned, as far as Sharia goes, Sharia says that in life, the life itself is uncertain. So if in any dealing there is a certain level of uncertainty or little bit of uncertainty, it is allowed. Like if you start a business, tijarat, as they call it in Arabic, tijarat, is it certain that you will succeed in your business venture? Do you take a risk in a business venture? Is there uncertainty that your business might be successful, your business might be a failure? But it is halal, isn't it? It's not haram. In fact, the Prophet has said that he likes people who do tijarat. So, certain amount of uncertainty is allowed in Sharia. So that takes care of your uncertainty or gharar as well. So I am sure that after this brief description on takaful, you will agree with me that insurance is not haram. Do you agree, sir, that insurance is not haram? Insurance is not haram, sir.
The process changes.
Process changes it. Insurance by itself is not haram. Over to you, Kusma Chaudhary. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman, for your